Hi folks, John.Richardson here, looking at the beautiful outside of this 2019 29-foot rear living room. This is one of the most popular of all the floor plans. You only got a couple different varieties of these. You either got a rear bathroom or you got a rear living room. They don't put beds in the back of them unless they're giant rigs because of the weight up in the front end. They want to keep the weight down. So Catalina's a company that's been around since the 60s. This is what I refer to as an inexpensive stick and tin travel trailer. Comes with a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Very, very adequate for all your needs. If you want to enjoy going camping or going to an RV spot or traveling around the country, one of the things people complain about is, God, I got to get outside to see anything. Not in this one. You can sit in your recliner, look out the back window, enjoy the scenery in the evening or in the daytime if you're, if you happen to be not feeling well and you're sitting inside or it's too hot, that type of thing. So let's go over a couple things about the Catalina. You'll notice here we got an electric jack. Don't have to crank it up and down. We just do it with the power of the battery. By the way, it's got a slide on it. You're going to get 2 batteries, brand new. You got 2 propane tanks, 2 7.5 gallon. I'll see to it that those get filled up. I will see to it that you get one of the best walkthroughs you've ever had. If you've never owned a trailer before, you will really appreciate our technicians. Being here for 52 years and being the largest dealer, one of the top 5 in the United States, I might add. I'm proud to say that because I've been here for 28 years myself or close to it. We have acquired the best walkthrough techs and technicians in the industry. That's why they work here. That's why we're so successful. It's not just me as a salesman. It's our cameraman. It's our technicians. It's everybody. There's 450 of us here, all striving for one end, and that is to have a happy customer. And we have a motto, and we follow it strictly, called "We do whatever's right." Now let's go take a look at this thing. So we got good storage here, right underneath the bed. You'll notice it doesn't go all the way through. That's because there's probably a water pump or something on the other side. You'll notice here up above, we got plywood. You also have plywood in the floors. You got plywood base for the bed. You've got 2x2 studs in the walls. Pink insulation. Very, very well put together trailer. And in the event we have a mishap and it gets damaged, bring it in. We got a body shop. We don't have to paint it. All we got to do is pull a panel off and put another one on. Very, very easy. It's kind of like replacing shingles on a house. Okay? So you'll notice here we've got a very nice awning that goes all the way across. Now you'll notice we've got a slide out right here. That's because it's got a center kitchen. So I'm going to show you when you get inside, you're going to go, wow, this thing's got a lot of room in it. So a couple things I want to point out. One is this is a new style step. Now there's a couple advantages to this step. Number one, it's aluminum. Number two, if you got the step up, you don't have to worry about grandkids walking out, falling down, hurting themselves. In the meantime, you want to put the step down. Check this out. Hit a lever. Let's see how close our, look at that. You can't get much closer than that, putting them side by side. Very easy entry. It's called a solid step. You've got a folding grab handle here for us old people. Pull myself up here. Come on in. Let's go take a look at this thing. Now this here is what I call living. It's been a real tough day for me today, so I want to sit down here and I want to relax a little bit. And what we can see is I got a fireplace right across from me. I got a couch in the back with a nice big window that I might point out opens up. Look where the TV is, right straight in front of my chair. This is kind of like at home. I can kick it. I don't have a fireplace. This one does, but I do have a TV. Mama's in the kitchen. She's got her space. And what's nice about it is these center aisle kitchens, everybody wants counter space, right? Look at this. Massive counter space. If this isn't enough, we come around here, we got more counter space. But what's really nice for the ladies or the guys, if they happen to be doing the cooking, I know in my house, John, get in the living room, the kitchen's mine, I'm preparing dinner. You got two choices. You either get out, or you're going to be wearing this meal. So I stay the heck out of there. I'm the dishwasher, she's the cook. We established that when we got married, a long time ago. Microwave, 3-burner stove, gas oven. Another thing I'll point out, this is a Furrion. It's going to have lighted dials on it. Just beautiful when you see this thing lit up at night. You've got a rope lighting on your awning outside. So if you go out, you know, like people do in the evening, go around, check out all the other campsites, you can find your trailer when you come back because of the blue lights on the front of it, on your awning. Of course, you come inside, you'll find your stove without any problem. You got a very nice refrigerator. You've got a recessed freezer in it for the freezer. And I'd like to point out it's not sitting up here at the top where you got to reach up. So anybody can reach in here and get it, including the kids if they need something. Here we've got speakers here, AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD player, TV, gas fireplace, windows here, back window that'll open up so I can see if I'm not parked in a trailer park. I can see the lake with the swans on it rather than the front of that Catalina behind me, okay? Heat comes up through the floor, air conditioning is ducted through the vents in the roof. Let's go through, this is what I refer to as a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have the ability to have the bathroom right next to the bedroom, nice big glass shower, skylight, sink, toilet, all that type of stuff. Your monitor panel right here as you come in. Now look at the bedroom. Storage, storage, storage. Dressers, storage. Everybody wants, John, this just don't have enough storage. Well, this is not the case with this Catalina. Good storage spot here where you could set your TV. You need some more storage? Let's raise the bed up. There's the box that the TV came in. Apparently we got a 32-inch TV. Notice the plywood underneath it. Hanging closets on both sides. Here's something that's becoming more and more prevalent. Electric plug-ins on both sides of the bed, his and her. And I've had more and more customers that they each have to have an electrical outlet because they got CPAP machines. Storage across. Of course, the other thing people want is nice, light woodwork. So Coachmen, listen, they're getting into lighter woodwork. Beautiful woodwork, really. Big hanging closet here and another closet right below it. So if you need more storage than this, what I'm going to tell you is you're either staying too long or you're taking too many clothes with you. You're not going to live in this thing. You're just going to use it for a week at a time. There's plenty of room for winter, summer, spring, fall clothes in here. So if you would all do me a favor, thank you so much for watching the video. My number's right down here at the bottom. John.Richardson's my name. Everybody knows me as JR. Give me a holler if you got any questions. You already know how to get on the website. You found us. I thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate it.